today we are unboxing two items from Coach. If you are new around here, I'm Sarah. I make videos all about handbags, unboxing, what fits inside, comparisons and just general chit chat about bags, which is my passion in life. So let's start off with the first item. It is only a little one. This one was in the sale. So there is the box and the paper. So this one is a very small little item. I actually saw somebody unboxing this and I thought that looks interesting. So obviously I purchased it to find out, and she had a all green colour, but when I looked I saw they had this colour and I preferred this colour. Lovely red with a purple trim, and then on the back you have the belt loops, which is in a burgundy colour. And then if I just take all of the stuffing out, then you've got the lovely burgundy colour inside. So that's the bag. It comes with a belt and a crossbody strap. So first of all, let's see what we can fit in this tiny little bag. I must admit the leather is really soft and really beautiful. My phone, I think it's an iPhone 8. It's old, so if you've got anything newer, it's probably not going to fit because they're a lot bigger. So that fits in with a little bit of space. Now, does my beautiful new card holder fit? Oh, yes, just. Will it close? No, it's not going to close. Coin purse. No. 6-ring key holder. Oh, yes, it does close, but you're not going to fit much more in there. So it's very small. Let me take all the packaging off and we'll see what it looks like crossbody and as a belt bag. Okay, so this is it as a waist bag. It's really cute. It's not too big and bulky like some are. So as a belt bag, it's pretty cute. I like it. And obviously just get your things out there nice and handy. If you haven't got to carry much, it's great. Now let me put the crossbody strap on and we'll see what that's like. Okay, so I am extremely confused. One long length. It's not adjustable. I've attached it to the little loops as you should do. There's no way to make it shorter. Why would you want it practically at your knees? This is ridiculous. The next Coach item is a lot bigger. So let's just open the box. Very big box. Put it down there. This is one of the new totes that they have brought out. This is the bigger one. They do two slightly smaller ones as well, a red and a cream. And it's all canvas with slight leather trim, so at the side, little leather tab there. There's little pieces of leather on the handles as well, and there's a little bit of leather on the long strap as well. Let me just take all of the packaging out and I can give you a better look of what this bag is like. Once I've took all of the packaging from inside, you can see that it's one big deep pocket, and you have got a pocket at the back with a zip on. It's quite slouchy, so you would need a bag liner. There is a turn lock on there for you to close it, and you have got the top handle, and you have got a long strap as well, which I'll show you in a bit what it's like on my body shape. I bought this because I really love the design. I love the contrasting handles, and I just thought it was a really nice tote bag, and it would be great for the beach when we can ever go to the beach again, and also possibly as a work bag. But then, as I was thinking about it, I realised that I don't really need another tote bag. I'll show you what it looks like on my body frame. I'm 5'6", but I won't be keeping this one either, which is good because it will save me money, and I am being sensible for once. As you can see, this is on the longest possible length for the bag. Obviously you can wear it crossbody. That is nice. Sorry, I haven't taken the packaging off the handles. I don't like to do that if I'm sending something back, really. I've just, the ones on the strap I can just sellotape back up, but I don't like to take too much off if I know that I'm going to send it back. So, but the handles are just the same as the strap anyway. So that's it. And you could, that's better crossbody that way, but still it's a bit too big to wear it crossbody. So that is the tote bag.